Dear students, very good evening. Welcome back to very important thing I want to discuss with you, that is regarding crash course. So you people are taking classes everywhere. That means in your respective colleges as well as respective coaching centers and everywhere. But this time, particularly, I planned the students who are really focusing to get very good score in KCET as well as NEET. For them, I am starting the online classes, particularly online classes. The students who are aiming for CET and NEET, we have a top faculty. They are not belongs to a local area. They are belongs one person is in one place. Like biology person coming from Uttar Pradesh, the topmost college, and physics faculty is from Andhra Pradesh, and chemistry faculty is from Bangalore, and myself I will teach the maths. So 4 top faculties, they are available in their particular time. Particularly chemistry faculty is available morning 6:30 to 7:30, physics faculty evening 7 to 8, mathematics is 6 to 7, and biology is 8 to 9. Like that we kept their available time. They are the top faculties, 100% rank oriented classes. The students who are really aiming for KCET and NEET, you can take these classes. That we are charging only 10,000. Dear students, it is only 10,000. It's a peanut. You spend a lot of amount from the last 2 years of your PU education. The 10,000 is a peanut. For peanut you can spend. You see the result of KCET and NEET, this 1.5 month coaching. So those lectures are available. I request them from the last 4-5 years. The top student they taught, I requested them at their convenient time. So if you are really interested, please take this coaching. It's only 10,000. It's online, it is available. Okay. If you are really interested, please WhatsApp me and I will give complete details, and you can join this course through online. 1 hour they will take class, each subject, physics, chemistry, biology. Definitely, dear students, you will get a very good rank, 100%. It's okay. Really, if you are interested, please join this course. It is more useful. The peanut what you are spending the last moment, it is more useful. You will remember a lot. Okay. Thank you very much.